Good morning, good morning. It's 5 a.m. and I'm going to sing. Have my coffee, have my cigarette. Let's do it. I'll never be your beast of burden. My back is broke, oh man, it's hurting. All I want is for you to make love to me. I'll never be your beast of burden. I walk for miles, my feet are hurting. All that I want is for you to make love to me. Am I hard enough? Am I rough enough? Am I rich enough? I'm not too blind to see. I'll never be your beast of burden. So let's go home and draw the curtains. Music on the radio, come on babe, sweet love to me. Yeah. Oh, am I hard enough? Am I rough enough? Am I rich enough? I'm not too blind to see. Oh, pretty, 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 pretty girl. Oh, such a pretty, 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 pretty girl. Pretty, pretty, such a pretty, pretty, pretty girl. Come on, baby, please. I tell you, you can put me out on the street, put me out with no shoes on my feet. But put me out, put me out, put me out of misery. Hey, all this sickness, I could suck it up, throw it all out there, I'll shrug it off. But there's one thing, baby, I don't understand. You keep on telling me I ain't your kind of man. Ain't I rough enough? Whoo! Oh, ain't I tough enough? Ain't I rich enough and love enough? Ooh, please. I'll never be your beast of burden. I'll never be your beast of burden. Never, 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 never be. I'll never be your beast of burden. I walk for miles, my feet are hurting. Now all I want is for you to make love to me. Yeah. I don't need no beast of burden. I need no fussing. I need no cursing. Never, 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 never be. Ooh. Good morning, folks. Good morning. That's how we're starting our day. Having a nice cup of coffee. Very good. Very good. Dunky D's coffee. I usually get McCafe, McDonald's, but they had a deal, so I got the Dunkin' Donuts and McDonald's are both great coffees. Have my cigarette. And this is how we're going to start our day. Folks, have a beautiful day, okay? Don't forget to have a beautiful day. Just reminding you. See you on the next video.